So what is up, guys? I'm trying to sing my favorite band, the Aliceinchains. The song is Man in the Box. Look, I'm just learning, so don't be so sad or mad if you see me not singing like the main vocalist. I forget his name actually. Okay, let's go. I'm the man in a box, buried in my shit. Won't you come and save me? Save me. Fire in my eyes. Jesus Christ. Hey, who trust? Oh, fear in my eyes. La 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 la. I'm the dog who gets beat. Shove my nose in shit. Won't you come and save me? Fire in my eyes. Jesus Christ. Hey, who trust? Oh, fear in my eyes. So put a comment, some like, etc. and blah blah blah, whatever it is. And subscribe to my channel. See ya, guys.